Welcome. In this video I will show you how to screen mirror your iPhone on a DREAME 43Q100 TV. So in order to connect the iPhone to your TV, you're gonna have to use AirPlay feature on your iPhone. However, this feature is not natively supported by your TV, therefore we're gonna have to download the application which will allow us using it and therefore connect our iPhone to this TV. So in the apps menu, open the search field and search for the AirScreen application, or just input Air and search for the app.
Results for Air.
And here it is. So the AirScreen application, select it, open it, install it, and then wait until it's installed. And after the application is installed, before opening it, let's just make sure that both our smartphone and our TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So on your remote control, press the gear button, then scroll down to Wi-Fi menu and check which Wi-Fi network your TV is connected to. Then swipe down the control center on your iPhone, open the connections menu and make sure that your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then return to the home screen and let's find this application in our apps list, open it, and let's give it all the permissions that it requires. So let's click continue, then click OK, grant while using the app. Wait a moment. Click confirm, and then using this camera of your iPhone, scan the QR code that you see on your TV screen and then tap on the link that you see at the bottom of your camera application on the iPhone. This will connect your TV and your smartphone. Now if you see some cast conflict, that's usually this is not an issue, but if you cannot connect your iPhone to the TV, just restart this application. Now, once you see special app access required, let's select change settings and let's wait until AirScreen application appears on this list, then switch the toggle to the right next to it and then return to the application. And at this point all we have to do is swipe down the control center on our iPhone once again, locate the screen mirroring feature on in your quick settings, or if you don't have it, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of your iPhone, then select edit control. Let me do this once again. Select edit control and then locate the screen mirror feature right here and tap on it to add it to your control center. And in the screen mirroring menu, you'll be able to find your TV. Just tap on it. And the screen mirroring will begin. Now we can basically cast the screen of our iPhone to our TV. And if you want to stop casting your screen, just swipe down the control center once again, open the screen mirroring menu and select stop mirroring. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.